Hara Dhaniya, green chili chopped, ginger garlic paste, 1 medium-sized capsicum chopped, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Take half cabbage. For marination, add salt to cabbage. Squeeze the cabbage like this. Add onion chopped. Now green chili chopped. Now capsicum chopped. Now ginger garlic paste. Hara Dhaniya. Now salt. Pinch of black pepper powder. A half teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 2 teaspoon rice flour. 2 teaspoon besan. Boiled and mashed potato. Mix it well.
Subscribe.
For easiness, put some oil on hand. Fry on medium to high flame.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.